Maya software. Maya is a high-end 3D computer graphic and 3D modeling software package originally developed by Alias System Corporation, but now owned by Autodesk as part of the Media and Entertainment division. Maya is used in the film and TV industry as well as for computer and video games, architectural visualization and design. Maya is a popular integrated node-based 3D software suite evolved from Wavefront Explorer and Alias PowerPoint Animator using technologies from both. The software is released in two versions, Maya Complete and Maya Unlimited. Maya was originally released for the IRIX operating system and subsequently ported to the Microsoft Windows, Linux, and Mac OS X operating systems. An important feature of Maya is its openness to third-party software, which can strip the software completely of its standard appearance and using only the kernel transform it into a highly customized version of the software. This feature in itself made Maya appealing to large studios which tend to write custom code for their productions using the provided software and development kit. A TCL-like cross-platform scripting language called Maya Embedded Language (MEL) is provided not only as a scripting language but as means to customize Maya's core functionality. Additionally, user interactions are implemented and recorded as MEL scripting code which users can store on a toolbar, allowing animators to add functionality without experience in C or C++ language, though that the option is provided with the software development kit. Support for Python scripting was added in version 8.5. A marking menu is built into larger menu system called Hotbox that provides instant access to majority of features in Maya at the press of key. Features of Maya: modeling, dynamics and simulation, Maya Unlimited, scripting and plugins, MEL scripting. Modeling. Polygons are a widely used model medium due to its relative stability and functionality. Polygons are also the bridge between NURBS and subdivs. NURBS are used mainly for their ready smooth appearance and they are used in dynamics because they respond well to deformations. Subdivs are a combination of both NURBS and polygons. They are ready smooth and can be manipulated like polygons, providing the artist with an instant representation of smooth polygons. Dynamics and simulation. Maya features a particle system for handling masses like steam and water drops. Dynamic fields allow adding gravity, wind, and vortices, allowing for effects such as blowing leaves or even tornadoes. An artist may create rigid body geometric objects which collide automatically without explicit animation, as well as soft body objects which can ripple and bend like flags and cloth. Maya effects are built-in programs that make it easy for users to create complex animation effects such as smoke, fire, and realistic water effects, with many options and attributes for tuning the results. Maya Unlimited. Maya Unlimited version comes with a set of tools and available in the Maya Complete version. Maya Fluid Effects. A realistic fluid simulator effective for smoke, fire, clouds, and explosions added in Maya 4.5. Maya Classic Cloth. Cloth simulation to automatically simulate clothing and fabrics moving realistically over an animated character. Maya Fur. Animal fur simulation. Similar to Maya hair, it can be used to simulate other fur-like objects such as grass. Maya hair. A simulator for realistic-looking human hair implemented using curves and paint effects. These are also known as dynamic curves. Maya Life, a set of motion tracking tools for CG matching to clean plate footage. Maya Encloth, added in version 8.5, Encloth is the first implementation of Maya Nucleus Autodesk simulation framework. Encloth gives the artist further control of cloth and material simulation. Maya N-Particle, added in version 2009. N-Particle was added to Maya Nucleus toolset. N-Particle gives artists an intuitive, efficient workflow for simulating a wide range of complex 3D effects, including liquids, clouds, smoke, spray, and dust, scripting, and plugins. In Maya, anything can be connected to anything. Example, a color intensity of a shader can be used to control the movement of a door opening and closing. To control the node-based system of Maya, fully reconfigurable user interface can be scripted with MEL script code, which can be dropped onto a shelf to create a new icon that executes that code. With the release of Maya 8.5, support for the Python scripting language has been included. The current implementation of Python in Maya is not fully object-oriented though. MEL scripting. MEL stands for Maya Embedded Language, and it's a script language similar to C embedded in Maya. Code written in MEL can be executed from the script editor, from the shells, and from drop-down menus. MEL lets the user have more access and more control than the user interface. Some functions of the software and advanced options are only available by using MEL. All Maya preferences are Maya code, so are the drop-down menus. This means that it is always possible with a little digging to retrieve the MEL commands and MEL functions that Maya calls when you click a specific button of the user interface. Maya is an application used to generate 3D assets for use in film, television, game development, and architecture. It uses in films. Many popular computer animated films have been used with Maya software like The Matrix, Spider-Man, Finding Nemo, Frozen, etc. This is all about Maya software. And here we completed Unit 6. Thank you.